Ah! Oh! 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 Y'all, I fucked up. I fucked up. Wait, hold on. I gotta fix all this. I gotta fix every single one of these things. Don't have that turned on. Don't have this turned on. Don't have this turned on. Okay. Okay, I turned up a bunch of redeems, so nothing's gonna get fucked yet. Yet. We can't have the +1 chicken. The rest of these should be fine. We can't have remix colors and all these turned on either. Okay. Okay, cool. Here's what happened. Let me explain what happened. I was working on a feature for the Twitch interface, and I didn't finish it in time. I had this system. Okay, so listen, this is what happens is... Oh, hey, is that Whitechapel? Oh, no, it's Whitechapel pre-stream. Oh, the Whitechapel pre-stream message! And now you're in the pre-show. Okay, listen. Look. Oh my god, did I make room in my C drive to stream again? I remember last time I ran out of space and it was catastrophic. Pre-show! Okay, Moon, you have to stick around for when the pre-show's over. You just gotta trust me on this. But before I do that, I need to fix this thing, okay? I'm doing it for the people. I'm literally doing it for the peoples. I have this system where I send a serialized number between two processes to trigger whether or not, trigger a sound effect playing in my stream interface. And I do this so that way the sound effect comes from a different process, and that way I can separate it as a different audio capture in OBS. It's a whole thing. Anyway, I have to switch to U16 because I added too many sound effects. I added too much variety. Because I want to give the people the ability to configure their pitch to anything they want. But if I do that, I need to be able to send every combination of voice line and pitch, which is a combination of like 100 now, because I made the pitch range. Oh my god, Invoke! Thank you for the sub! Don't sub me while I'm in pre-show mode. Hey, Whoppy, tell Tanuki, don't raid until I'm out of the pre-show. I don't want the people to see my terrible pre-show. Hey, CG, how's it going? Y'all, I gotta lock it. I lost a streak. What do you mean, when the fuck? I have a consistent schedule. Y'all just need to pay attention. I'm sorry to hear that, Whitechapel. There was some chaos last stream, but I did stream at the time that I stream at normally, so it should have been attainable. I don't know. I'm really sorry to hear that. Oof. I feel the pain, though. I feel that's so hard. If I lost my stream streak, I would be very sad for some people. Oh, my goodness. Yeah. It be this way. Join the Discord to stay updated on my stream status in the streams channel or whatever. Don't do the Discord redeem. Don't do the Discord command. It's not going to work. My bot isn't active right now. Okay. Okay, I need to... You have a Discord? Okay, hold on. You're not distracting me. I have to folks lock in. So, if pitches is none, which is this code, that means I need to initialize a new pitch, a new audio player, which I do by duplicating this. I want this, and then I want the original pitch scale, and then I need to set the pitch scale, which is all this. This is all good, until we get to here, where now I need to just, instead of using these preset pitch values, we're going to use the input pitch I32. Okay, first cast out the real, divide by 50, and then we can add that to the original pitch scale. And now you can configure your pitch scale to anything within a range of 50%, which might be too much. I might have gone too far in a few places. I'm locked in on the pre-stream! You think I have enough focus to look at people's schedule? I just open and refresh every Twitch and see if they were on. No! You must worship me more, Whitechapel. You must dedicate your life. Be one of these people who's like begging me for streams on Fridays, and I'm like, bro, I'm sorry. I don't stream on Fridays. I stream on Saturdays. Ah! So is this code for... This is code for my stream interface. I can't use my stream interface because I have some... This code is not compilable yet. I need to bring it back to a compilable state before we can start the stream. That is the issue that we're having right now. What is happening here? I deleted too much stuff. Oh my god, this needs to be, this. This needs to go here. Okay, are we good here? Cool. We added as a child to the player. Okay. And then we assign the mutable pointer? What? We can do that? Okay. That means I probably need to get mute up here. Blah, 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 blah. Get pitches, get mute. And then maybe that'll let us assign it here. Really? Option cannot be dereferenced. Fuck you! Fuck you mean I can't be dereferenced? I'll dereference your whole family. What happened to the interface? I was making a new feature. I'm making a new feature for all of you to enjoy. Oh, wait, did I miss your Wednesday stream? Oh, yeah. I'm sorry if you missed the Wednesday stream. There was some chaos, like I said, for that one. You can watch. There's like 2 VODs of it because it was split up. Yeah. Select unknown, found mute. Why can't I map this to a mutable option? What the to subscribe for 5 months? What the hell? Don't hype train when I'm in the pre-show! Oh, come on, y'all! I'm not even streaming for real yet! Oh my god! We're going to the moon! Except it's not Sunday, so we can't go to moon, but we can go to the other moon, like the one in the sky. Woo! I have no... They broke it again. You're not. What? This is a pre-show. It's some random pre-show. Where it's not really. I don't know. I have to fix things. It's when I have no interface at the start of stream. I have to do this. Okay, so I can't mutate this. I have to fucking just walk around with this raw double option situation. Look at this. Option of a mute option. Actually, wait, this makes sense. Wait, this actually totally makes sense when you think about it. Because if we just do the, wait, what would we do here? So, we would get mute. Wait, what the fuck would I do here? Oh crap, I don't know what to, actually, y'all, this doesn't make any sense. I overthought this. Okay, so wait, what's the point of me doing this? Okay, wait. We're gonna go back to what we had, and then... So this is gonna, like, flatten the options if we do this. So it's a player. We're gonna flatten that to just be one option this. Whatever. And then, we're going to assign that in here. We're just gonna do self.pitches, whatever the hell. What's the index? Oh, the index is pitch, plus 50. So say index as use size. What am I doing? No. We do this. Index. Let index equal this, and then I guess we should keep that checked there, even though it might be unnecessary. Thank you for the bits, Moonwood. Yeah, y'all, everyone give me bits. We got to succeed the pre-show, hype. I haven't must have had a hype train. This is a Rust wrapper for Godot, right? Yes. I wrote my stream interface in Rust, in Godot. In Bevy, too. It's in the Bevy system as well. Thank you for the bits again, Moonwood. Third-party open source Twitch client for the win! I don't know if I'm winning right now because I'm suffering, but sure. Yeah, sure, whatever you say. Okay, here's what I gotta set this to... What does this do here? And then... Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so this... I just need to... Well, first of all, let me go ahead. Let me get the 67%! Please! Okay, wait. Let ID equals this. And then we can assign ID here. And then we can also assign it here. And then we're going to put these on the other side. Like that. Oh my god! Y'all fellas, where am I? You're in the pre-show, Fanny! Hold on! I'm loading a real show as we speak. I cannot mutate immutable variable. Fucking... Suck on my suckable appendage. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna fucking breathe. I didn't do it justice. I'm sorry. I can't. My voice doesn't go that high. Gross. It says 66 for me. Is it 67? Oh my. It's not. It still says 60. I'm telling you, it says 66 for me. Pop out chat. Look at that. It says 66. Am I crazy? I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna need one more bit. But I swear to God, if you go over even it's on 1 bit, oh, there's gonna be trouble. Oh, you did it! Oh my God, Moon did it! 67%. Let's go. Woo! Don't anyone sub. Don't anyone donate anything else. We're at the perfect ratio. We're at 67. It's perfect just the way it is. I don't want to see any gift subs, any normal subs, any freaking Amazon subscription subs. None of that. Because we are at the perfect, beautiful number. 6767. Yeah, everyone redeem 67676767676767. The fuck did I just say? Wait, what did that do? How much did that set it up to? It's now 73. Oh. Well, I hope you're happy, Moonwood. I hope you also know you're not getting an emoji at this rate, so don't spend too many bits. What does it mean? One more sub to complete level 1? Oh, can I do that in time to get this hype train? Gift a subscription. Can I do this? Yeah, let me. Wait. Oh no, I'm out of time. I'm out of time. Complete purchase. Did I do it in time? I don't think I did it in time. Oh no. Oh no, am I too late? I just gifted a sub for nothing! And David kept I gifted a sub for nothing! I was too slow! Now we're all emoteless and sad! Well, Rabbiteer, whoever the fuck you are, I'm gonna stalk you now. Who are you? Who got my sub? Rabbiteer, you have a cute profile picture. Well, I hope you enjoy wherever you are in the world. Is that like a lurker in chat, or that's just like a random person? Because sometimes they just give them to random people. And I'm like, okay, cool, I guess. Emoteless and that Rabbiteer search says you're nothing. That's not what I said! That's not what I freaking said! Can I compile this already? Okay, I'm gonna try and compile. Hold on. We're compiling. Oh, no. Oh, we have a lot to do left. Oh my god, poor Tanuki's out here streaming all alone. Well, I should have told Tanuki to wait. There's this pre-show 676767676767. Oh, the fucking cubes are getting blown up in chat. I hate it here. SSBB Sonic has a few words for you. What? To not give up? I will happily give up. I will 100% give up. Pitches. Vec new. Okay, so here's a question, right? If I assign to an index in a Vec new, does that fill it with default values? I don't think it does. Rust Playground. Oh my god, I almost doxed myself. Okay. Every time you Google anything, it's a risk, right? Like if I do, like, let a Vec. Sorry for the white mode. U32. Is there not a dark mode for this? Config. I only have one chance to test it out. By the way, that's why I have to do it this way. Here it is. Theme. Cloud9 Day. Oh, thank you. That made it better. I can't even read the text anymore. What the hell? Okay. If we make a new Vec, and then we do a sub 23 equals sum 123, and we print this. Is it gonna be filled with nuns, or is it gonna crash? I bet it's gonna crash. Okay, so don't format it with the default formatter then, you asshole. Can I be ours? Beautiful! Rise, don't fail me now! It's out of bounds. It's out of freaking bounds. Okay, y'all, we have to fill it. We have to fill it. Let v equal vec dot fill. Okay, fill. Okay. Oh, no. We have to resize, right? Or is it? So len is now equal to new len. Okay, so we're gonna set new len to 101 just to be safe, and then we're gonna fill it with nuns and then return v. And yeah, I gotta make this mutable. Any other things you gotta worry about? No. You're not. Did I say that, Rabbit? I'm so sorry. I'm literally so sorry. Hasn't Tanuki been streaming alone for like 2.5, 3 hours? No, Tanuki had a friend. There was a guest star, Andrea. You should have watched. It was a great stream. I need to watch a lot of it because oh my god, I have a story to tell. I'll tell it when Tanuki raids. Okay, can we go? Okay. Hold on. Go. I can smell the success. It's taking too long for this to be failure. This has to be successful. I summon the power of thee, the working code! The working code! Oh, Okay. Oh my god, my head hurts so much. Fanny, don't gigafy your doge at me. 6767676767676. Okay. Okay, I gotta make sure everything's set up. I only have one chance. Because the second I start this, y'all are gonna type shit and ruin everything if it doesn't work. So, we have enable Twitch bot, spout, sound effect, camless. Okay, everything seems good to go, I think. Sorry, was that really annoying? I apologize. Okay, so, I don't need this Z anymore. I'm gonna run this. Okay, we're gonna go to this. Oh god, I haven't even tested it yet. No! Oh my god! Oh my god, it crashed! Request status code is not okay? I have to re-register the thing! Oh my god, there's so much that needs to be done! Oh crap, this is bigger than I thought! It's like the plot twist midway through the movie, where it's like, oh my god, there's more than we realized. And it's like, holy shit, there's more than I realized. I need to refresh dev access and dev refresh, which means that I gotta close that. What? Whose phone? Pick something up! No! I'm still at the pre-show! No! Oh no! Don't look at me! Don't look at my shame! Oh! No! I haven't tested. This is not gonna work. Okay, success. I have no faith. I've got to update the thing and it's lagging! It's lagging! It's lagging! Why is it lagging? Y'all, okay, I'm not even joking. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to ask you all to not type for a second. Thank you for the raid. Everyone, shut the fuck up so my stream interface doesn't lag for a second like a test things. No one say anything, I swear to God. Ooh, we're gonna fight. We're gonna fight. This is a thing that happened before. I'm already streaming, so I can't start the stream interface. What? No. They wouldn't do me like this. They wouldn't do me like this. I have a solution. I have a solution. If I close the process for OBS and then restart it, it would continue to stream on Twitch, but it wouldn't continue on YouTube. So I don't think that's worth it. That's the only strategy I have to get through this issue where it lags too hard when I start it. Also, I need to update the material. I had like a thing. I had a thing, and I didn't write down the color. I didn't write down the color. Oh, that's bad. That's not good. That's not good. I changed the color for the frame. I was gonna do a special stream, but I forgot what the color is, and I don't know how to set it back. Now it's an ugly blue. How do I fix this? What even is this? Is this frame? It is frame. Okay. So don't I have like a quick load for frame 1? Frame, edges of, what is it? Yeah, this is frame 2. I need to quick load this to frame 1. Okay, fixed. But now this is still a wacky color. You think you can calm me down, Twitch interface? I can just use my eyes. I can just find the color manually. Oh, it's not perfect. It's never gonna be perfect. What is this? What is this? All my secrets being exposed. How would I? Is it like not saturated? But then it's this bright, maybe. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. I perfectly color picked it. I'm a color picking expert. Don't ever at me again. I am the Lord and Lordess of all colorness. Oh, okay. Everyone calm down. It's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. We're all going to be okay. I'm going to run it. Please don't lag. 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 Oh god, it has a lot of stuff running right now. It's lagging. I have to close it. I have to close it. Oh my god, it's lagging so bad. I have to turn those off. Y'all heard an explosion, didn't you? Y'all heard the explosion. You knew what was up. Who typed? Who was it? It was Whoppy! Whoppy, you were the one that betrayed me. You were the one that betrayed me. Thank you for the 15 stream streak, Axel. I appreciate that. Fools! Fools! You think you can stop me? What's happening on YouTube? I bet YouTube also has a thing. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna purposely crash OBS and then bring it back. Bring it back from the dead. Okay. Here we go. Ooh. Okay. I'm scared, but I have to do what I have to do. I'll see you all. Hold the fucking phone! Why does everyone have the moon voice? Only Moon's supposed to have the moon voice! Wait, no! No! Are you kidding me? I forgot something. I forgot to fix something. Oh no! There was one last piece of code. They're all moon! It's all moon! It wasn't supposed to be just moon is moon! Oh no! And I forgot to make it the subscriber thing, not subscribers only. That's, oh my god, y'all! The pre-stream was a failure! I forgot things! Okay, we can still fix it. We can still fix it. We can still fix it! Where is moon happening? Oh my god! Okay. Moon. Moon. Here you are. Here is unique. Where did I set it so you only get moon? How are you only getting moon? What the fuck? That's not possible! No! This is insane! This is not real! This is not the real life I'm living right now! No! Make it stop! You get the unique. Why are they getting assigned the moon voice? That's like the one voice you can't be assigned by default. What? Results? Okay, wait. When you join, you get a random from RPG with RPG. Wait, no, Moon got the moon voice. Everyone else should not have a moon voice, though. Y'all, I'm going insane. I'm going insane. Wait, Hyper Game. Hyper's in here? What the fuck? Hyper's in. Don't please, Hyper, don't look. This is the one time my stream is not working. It's been so good this whole month. Oh my god. Why does it keep giving Moon with the moon voice over and over? Oh my god. No, please, please. This never has, Garkin, this has never happened. Okay. Why? I know why this is happening. Because I needed to test the moon voice. So I set it so everyone gets the moon voice. But I don't remember where I did that. Or like where that's coming from. Or whatever. What? Could it be something with my new serialization system? Oh my god, something with the serialization system. I bet you it is. I bet you it is. See, is unique this... What? Oh, I can't restart the stream interface without crashing OBS again purposely. That was a whole thing. Okay, does that actually make your voice... No, yeah, it's... Okay, let's fix that first. The redeems. Let's go to redeem... Here's how this works, is... God damn, I didn't mean for that to be public, by the way. It got like, inserted automatically. Where is that? Find and thing, voice training. Okay, this is here. And then I run this, and then this. Where are you going? Yeah, I know you. But where do you get executed? Oh my god. Oh my fuck. Okay. Okay. Okay, redeem, self. Oh, this is where it happens. And then we run the voice change. And then there's a check, see if you're a sub. Which not a lot of you are. Fucking normies. And then you can only use this, only subscribers can use it, but this is not true anymore. This is not true. Because now anyone should be able to use this. That was a change I wanted to do before stream started, is to give people the ability to switch their pitch no matter what. Then I also have to add a condition. Oh my god. Oh my god. Who is it? Hello? Tender Enders? Tell Moon the amazing idea for the game, Jam. Tanuki, I'm kind of in a situation right now. Wait, see, look. Tender Ender's got the ksh voice. Tender, can you say something for me? Okay, so the idea Pixel Tanuki has for the game. Wait. Tanuki, we actually can't tell Moon because I want it to be a secret. I want my thing to be like a surprise for Moon. So, oh my god. Thank you for the sub, Hyper. Hold on. Oh my god. I need this to be, if you're a subscriber, it only rejects it if subscriber and voice pitch is greater than 25 or voice pitch is less than negative 25. Is this not, what is this? It's an I-32 reference. Okay. Then we're gonna send the return thing. So I'll just copy that. Yo, I should be back in the pre-show. I should have been doing this in the pre-show. Change their voice that far. Okay. Okay, refined. And then we also gotta do a check. What? Why are we having an issue? Okay, wait. What am I seeing? What is going on in chat? I just saw a little prompt. I'm too freaked out to read it. If it's greater than 50 or less than negative 50, then sorry, you cannot change your pitch that far. And then that read. Okay, that's cool. So that'll work. Unfortunately, I don't think I can hot reload this into the existing process. But we still don't know why everyone sounds like Moon. What's up with that? Y'all really sound like Moon. Don't listen to us, we're just mooning. Don't moon on me! Don't moon on me! Don't, please! Ah! Why is Moon getting that? Why the fuck is Moon getting that? You've been given the unique. Okay, we're gonna search for the you've been given. Okay, if I gotta find that line of code. That was here. We were just at this. So what's happening is Moon is not getting assigned the new thing. I have like this bit mask that I use right here. Oh my god, there's so many people. Go away! Go away! Ah! Here it is. Unique voice is unique, but then randomized voice never assigns initialized to 2, and that's why Moon keeps getting that. Okay, that makes sense. Which means I also need to initialize pitch number or whatever. Okay, whatever. Okay, there we go. So now Moon will stop getting that message. Don't look at me! I'm staring straight at you, Gothic! You sound just like Moon! They all sound like Moon! I just wanted to do something cool for Moon after Moon did the Sumran sound, but I fucked it up. I'm not like Moonwood, that's the thing, I can't make redeems last second. I don't have that skill. I don't have that power. Gotta get my Z sub before you let I can throw a lurking mad late here. You're good, Tender Enders. Thank you for stopping by. I'm sorry I couldn't give you a proper stream. We were gonna make a title screen. We were gonna start working on that. I got burnt out on the main game, so I figured I'd do some shut up! I do some title work, since UI always calms me down. Because I just want to calm stream. I spent all day today in, like, DC, driving around in that horrible fucking road design. Don't know where to make the turns at. It's awful. I had a Gordon Ramsay burger. It was mediocre. The end. I fell asleep. I was so sleepy. I had to take a nap in a gas station on the way home. And I woke up and Tanuki was streaming. I slept through an hour of Tanuki stream in a gas station today. And after all of that, I'm still here, suffering. Oh. Okay, and that's my story. Hope you enjoy. Twitch, clip that. Okay. Why do you all sound like Moon? Okay, we're gonna figure this out. Let's go to. There could be another issue with this that we're not recognizing, which is the assignment of the sound effects in the sound effect component. See, in here, all the sound effects are assigned in order, and we use the index that we gain from the enum. The enum assigns voice Moon to. So, oh my god! To a thing. But like that doesn't make any sense. I don't have. Wait, okay. Whew. Okay. Let's look up Goobler voice. And then where's the message bubble? That's where we assign the Goobler voice. No. We use we get it from player save data, this one. So we use this function on the message bubble, wherever that is. Where are you? Where the fuck are you? I'm gonna find you. Where are you? Well, here you are, right here. But where does it get assigned? I don't understand. It's right here. Initialize Goobler entity. I pass the Goobler voice. But then Goobler, why trigger Goobler voice? So then it's not here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah. I need to add more clips. Okay. Oh my, y'all. Okay. It has to be it has to be this. It just has to be this. It has to be this. There's something with the serialization that's messing this up. But I'm not sure what. We have to look for 50s. So pitch, that's correct. That's correct, I think. Wait, is that correct? It should be. So, because we set kind to U16, we multiply by 100, because there's 100 different pitches, and then add the pitch value. And then unwrap or 0. Oh crap, this should be unwrap or 50. Okay, anyway, so we do that, and we subtract from the pitch index we do the mod on to get the original pitch. Something about this is always returning Moon. That can't be right. That can't be right. From U16, and this is used. Oh, we just gotta start printing stuff out. But I can't because I'm on stream! This is why we do it. This is why we don't develop on stream! This is why I don't develop a stream interface on stream, because this happens and I can't test it. I can't test it. What if I just restart it and it magically works? What if we just do that? Should I do that? How's my YouTube doing? My YouTube's still caught up. Okay, nice job, YouTube. I'm proud of you. I guess we're gonna do the crash test thing again. Okay. Okay. Complete? I just completed all of your redeems. I don't care. His message gonna show up for every time Moon Knight speaks. Alright, everyone. I'll see you in a second. I'm gonna be right back. I'm doing it again! 3, 2, 1! Crash initiate! Everyone, was my mic muted that whole time? Was my mic muted that whole time? Surely it wasn't, right? Surely it wasn't. I have to go back and listen. Okay, it wasn't muted. It wasn't muted. Then why was it muted right there? Am I insane? Oh. Anyway, everyone, how's it going? How you doing? Look at that. Now only Moon is the one that does the moons. Okay, cool. And now, if we go here, I can turn on all the redeems again. Let's see who gets it. Okay, do that. Get to work and stay on. Turn on this one. Turn on this one. Keep that one on. Keep this one on. Keep this one. Okay, there we go. Who got it? Oh, good job, Fantasy. Oh, Fantasy, I'm nice. I'm proud of you. Okay. Woo! Glad that's over. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but we're not going to worry about that. We're not. We're fine. That's totally okay. Forgot to get protect. And the cool part is, it's still all one VOD, even though I've refreshed the stream like 5 times or whatever. How you doing, YouTube? YouTube's still going to... Oh, hell yeah. Y'all, I'm a streamer legend for getting myself out of that situation. You don't even... What is this? What the fuck is this? Pitch scale is less than 0 is true. How are you all getting the pitch scale below 0? How are you doing this? I added 50 to it. What? Below 0? I didn't divide by 50. Wait. No. I need to divide by 500, not 50. Oh. Yo, no one change your pitch. We gotta go back in. Sounds. Here's what's happening here, is that the pitch is a value between 50 and negative 50, right? And so my dumbass is dividing by 50. But let's think about that for a second. If you're at 50 and you divide by 50, that means the pitch is now at 1. But what I actually want is that to be of value 0.5. Because we're adding 50%. So we need to divide by 100, not 50 here. And then we can recompile that. And then the stream is fixed. Welcome back. Welcome back to Nuki. How's it going? Can change your voice that far? Yeah, you need... Why is the music muted? No, hey, no, just have a calm, peaceful time. Just have a calm... Okay, fine. You want an intro theme? You want an intro theme? 50 divided by 50 equals 31. No, it doesn't. But what's happening is, if you set it to negative 50, it divides by 50 and you get negative 1. And that's how it's going below 0. In that situation. So that's why I messed up that. But alright, Tanuki, you're gonna get your dream. Wait, what? I can't recompile while it's playing. Oh. Okay. Okay, everyone. Let's run this back one last time, shall we? Just one more time. I'll see you all in a second. I love you all, and I really appreciate you sticking here with me. It really means a lot. 3, 2, 1. What is up, my gooblers? Hello, how's it going? Welcome back to another game dev stream. How's it going? How is everyone? There's a lot of people in chat right now. That's crazy because we just started streaming. Nothing weird happened and everything's good. Everything's great even. You know, in fact, today's been a wonderful day. Everything has worked so well in my favor. I am Googling. Oh, hey, Hyper Game Dev. Oh my God, it's so rare seeing you here. How's it going? How you doing, Tender Enders? Hey, how you hanging? This has been a box worker. Yay, 4 more stream streak. Oh no, I don't think that's how it works. Considering the stream just started and it's just the same stream all over again. New stream, new me. Yeah, it's a Saturday. My first time God damn. Is that what that sound voice sounds like? Hold on. Moon, can you test if your voice is still working? I'm concerned that I haven't heard it recently. Because he may have changed it and like I didn't put in a place like a stop thing to make sure you don't do that. I don't know. Yeah, y'all like the new redeems? Like I said, I'm testing the pitch stuff. I decided to make it give you more control and make it not fully subscriber only. There's still a benefit. You block Moon from surgery? Well, Moon has Moon's voice. Moon has a perfect voice. Why'd you need surgery for it? And also, I'm not sure if it actually got blocked successfully. That's why I'm concerned. Hey, Cameron, how's it hanging? Anyway, today, as you can read by the title, I was gonna work on my title screen for my game. Wait, say something, Cameron. Wait, yeah, Moon's voice isn't Moony anymore. What happened? Oh my God. Okay, let me check the data folder. No, not this data folder, you lovely project. I mean the data folder for my Twitch interface. Player. Oh God, what's Moon's number? Moon, type your number in chat, please, so I may know your number. Here, right? Okay, we got find in folder. Moon. Oh my God, who has that voice? That's a crazy voice. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now your voice kind of still set to Moon. I don't know. Oh God. There is still a possibility. There's still a possibility. Wait, is Moon's voice just like pitched so low and that's why I don't recognize Moon as making voice sounds right now? Moon, send your pitch back. I gotta hear again. I don't know. Did it? There's no way, right? Oh, it's fine. It's cool. It's okay. That's definitely Moon. That's definitely Moon's voice. You can hear it if you listen close enough. Oh my God. Plus 100%. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go plus ultra. How does the pitch work? I mean, you do the redeem. You have to. There's the where is it? The voice training redeem. Where is it? Oh, there it is. And you type in 50, right? Oh, 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7. How many 6 7s did y'all redeem while I was crashing out? There's that one. There's okay. Moon did one 5 minutes ago. 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7. I was gonna do one more for good measure. 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7. Okay. Listen up, my dear gooblers, my dear gooblers and goobleries. I've been working on my game, and I'm just tired of it. I am so burnt out on working on this one mechanic. I'm debating whether I show it off or not because it's really cool, and I want you to see. I want you to know what I've been working on. But also, wouldn't it be cool if I just didn't show you, and then like I showed it as a surprise later? Who knows? But anyway, this specific mechanic I'm working on in my game is very, very tough. It's very mathematically intensive, and it is destroying my brain. And I want to just work on something simple. So I'm like, you know, you have to do a title screen eventually. Let me just attack this game from the start, from the very first moment the player enters the game. And just do some title screen stuff. And I have some ideas for title screening. Let me pull up a reliable Ace Sprite to show you what I have in mind. Sir, yeah, oh yes, Tanuki? Hello. How's it going? How you doing? Sorry if I missed, you stole so much music from my list. all these Game Jam news. Oh yeah, everyone. Pixel Tanuki. I mean, here's the thing. It's, okay. Tanuki is running a Game Jam that I'm going to host. And, no, wait, no, I fucked up. Tanuki's running a jam she's gonna host and I'm gonna judge on. And other people too. It doesn't have a name yet. See, it doesn't have a name yet, Tanuki. What am I supposed to say? It doesn't have a link? But the announcement is the theme? Or like the tell. No, we can't tell Moon. We can't tell Moon yet. You pick Tanuki. I'll DM you later. But we can't tell Moon yet. There are reasons. There are reasons. There's a method to my madness. Oh no. Backseating welcome. I wanted it. Tanuki got so fabulous. No. Okay, fine. Oh, that's fair. Well, the theme we want to do, or Tanuki wants to do, is like games that have Twitch integration or of some sort. Be it like chat interaction or like redeem interaction or something like that. The idea is that your game in the Game Jam would need some sort of integration into Twitch. And that's like sort of the gimmick of the Game Jam. So if you're interested, I guess go follow Tanuki for more info. All games must have one Twitch interaction. Yeah. And so you kind of get to like play the game with the streamers and the judges who play them. I missed you, Super Phoenix. You don't know what I've been through these past 40 minutes. It's been a lot. It's really been a lot. Anyway, yeah, that's the announcement for that. So yeah, it's happening on October. So I'll definitely be talking about it a lot more closer to October. So yeah, Super Phoenix Sir is making it up. Nothing has gone wrong. Yeah, exactly. Stay tuned. Please stay tuned. And I'll get you more details when I can. What do you mean a lot? I was hearing a promo for Pixel. Yeah. I like Pixel Tanuki games. It's like one of my favorite streamers. I gotta say, like, this chat is filled with all my favorite streamers. I'm really happy y'all are here for me in my time of need. I love all of you. Anywho, what's wrong? What's wrong with me? Oh, okay, wait, what? What does that mean? What does that mean? Why is Suki sipping at me? Does that mean we have to dust off my RPG Maker Twitch integration plugin? Yes, Moonwood! You are the streamer. Yeah, that's right. Moonwood has like an in-progress Twitch integration plugin of some sort? Of something? I don't remember how it worked exactly. Was it just that, like, what was it before chickens? What did you show that before it was chickens? I don't remember. Something would appear on screen that wasn't chickens. Oh, default, nice. Well, I was worried y'all were gonna go for high-pitched voices and that was gonna really annoy me. So I'm glad we're sticking to low-pitched ones. I gave up my Twitch game last year, moved to the Godot. Oh, no, it's a thing. There's still Godot Twitch integration possibilities. They're just third party and they all suck. But they still do it. You can still make it happen. But yeah. Oh, it was working. Yeah, you can redeem spells on Twitch and fight monsters. Oh my god, yeah, that's what it was! Holy shit, Moon, I forgot! That was so cool! Damn, it's been so long. I don't remember when you got rid of that. I guess it must have been during Chicken Era because it got replaced with chickens. Yeah, holy cow, I forgot that existed. Huh. Maybe share for the jam? Oh. Yeah. I mean, the issue is we're trying to find resources on doing Twitch integration for a lot of common game engines. And Suki's trying to like collect all that information. So there's like a basket of resourceful information for jam participators who'd like to learn how to do Twitch integration and they don't know how. Stop using because of the little jinx. I figured it might be a little, like that, yeah, because it's hard to do Twitch API stuff. Who added Tanuki? The chicken was not here for so long. Why did I say Tanuki? That's Fanny Slam. Fuck! It's like the message was above, my brain misread. Fanny! How could you play Tanuki? No! Oh my god! Oh! Okay. Okay. So, what's up with y'all? We have the same name color. No, it's your next. It's a whole. Okay, all right. Look, here's what I want for my game. Okay, here's what I want for my title screen. I want it to be Celeste. Celeste is like my favoriteest title screen ever, and I said it. It's the truth. I've always loved Celeste's title screen. It's the perfect balance of like not overproduced, but simple enough. Or wait, no, it's simple enough, but still like has polish. And I don't know, the menu feels nice to use. You click the down arrow, and the way the text wiggles is fun. And I want to have that because, you know, I gotta say a lot of title screens in indie games nowadays, they kind of suck, and I don't want mine to suck as much. At least I'm gonna try. At least I'm gonna try. How many cubes do I have to get a Fanny voice? We could arrange that. We could arrange that. You just gotta give me some time. I need a break from the voice stuff. Give me a break from the ads. Sir said my game's title screen's like, I didn't say you. I haven't seen your title screen, Garkan. I'm just saying a lot of people is like, just title screen is like default UI, with a background maybe. But no. Here's what mine's gonna be. Here's what it's gonna be. It's gonna be 3D. Here's the, okay, insert title here. And then it's gonna be like a 3D with layers, like a burrito bowl. And then you know, the top layer is whoa! Oh my, what the fuck, Lion Barrel? The revival of Lion Barrel? Where'd you come from? What are you doing here? The Sovereign has returned! Lion Barrel is back and we're all saved! We're all saved, the Lion Barrel W! Lion Barrel, I've missed you! They bully me in chat! They make fun of me! Sorry, Lion Barrel is like my... what do you call the person who just gives a ton of subs every once in a while? Lion Barrel is my sugared sub... No, you know what? I'm not... Never mind. I wanted to think of a creative way to say it. A Glucose Guardian? Thank you! Thank you! Exit Lion Barrel! When no one else got me, I know you got me! Glucose Guardian. Oh, the Glucose Guardian Lion Barrel has returned. Thank you for that a lot. Holy cow. Damn! To think we were just desperate to get the hype train going a second ago. But now here it is, pimp. Yeah, yes. I'm not selling their... Oh, well, I don't know about that. Oh, if I had a thing to turn my ass around in the stream right now, that'd be so fucking funny. Oh my god, I need to add more random stuff to my thing. And then I'll have more pre-shows where I'm scrambling to get it working at the last second. Every feature has a 50% risk to turn into a 1-hour pre-show at the start of the next stream because the previous code didn't compile. Okay, listen. Imagine, so the robot exists in an underground base, right? And so, you know, there's like the world above that's a zombie apocalypse, and then there's a lab right here, and there's some other thing, I don't know. And then you click start on the menu, and then that switches it from the side perspective to a top perspective. And then a top perspective, you'll have choices down here like play, and then settings. And I don't know, what else do you do? Credits, I guess. I like credits on this title screen. And then quit. And then when you hover over each one, it like shows different layers from the top-down perspective. Like the play would be the cemetery, and if you hover over settings, it removes that to show the lab, which it makes sense because the settings are kind of like a techie thing, and it makes sense. Like so, when you click on settings, it would zoom into the lab and have like a settings menu in the 3D world in the lab, and then credits will have something underneath that, and then quit will just quit. And so that, yes, the feeding typing. It's almost like Pixel told you to start getting ready at okay, Pixel. Oh, I literally was getting ready at 6:30. I was getting ready as fuck. Thank you for the bit cheer. Whoa, 1,000. God damn, Lion Barrel. Thank you. I was like, I didn't know I had a bit redeem like thing for Twitch. Usually, when someone redeems bits, I have to check chat. That's a big ass bit. God damn. Oh, the Glucose Guardian has spoken. Praise. Oh my god, I wish I had some way to like, hold on. Last time you did something like this, I put text somewhere. And I have text available to do it again. Let's see, where is it? World. Wait. It's in here. Can I edit this? I don't know how to spell glucose. Guardian. Okay, boom, and then we gotta make it more integrated with the thing. Can you see it from down here? You can't. Oh, hey, thank you for the tier sub to Lion Barrel. This is so wholesome. Okay, hold on. I need to modify this while I'm looking at it. Position, move this up, and then we'll also add Lion Barrel in there. Lion Barrel. There it is. Hooray! Here we go! Okay. Okay, well, there we have it. That is your I gift you perpetual text on screen for a while. Why is there Sonic music? I took it from Tanuki. It might be a little loud. Sorry, I haven't time to balance these. Okay, Tanuki. At 6:30, that's when I was stealing your playlists and like formatting them and downloading them and getting them like in my interface. So I was literally doing all this shit like hours beforehand. I just still ran out of time. Oh, yeah. Oh, I was like, I want that. I want Tanuki's playlist, and I just snatched it. That's what Tanuki gets for making the playlist public. Now anyone can take it and make it their own. I can't escape no matter where I go. The Glucose Guardian needed their own sub. Yeah, hell yeah, Fanny! Hooray! Wait, when everyone gets a bunch of subs? Oh, it doesn't say they don't get all their own messages. Okay. Thank you for the lurk. We've got ourselves a lurker here, sick of boys. Okay. Woo. Well then. Anyway, I hope my diagram helped make sense for what I'm doing today. Did you all get it? Did you take your pencil out and write this down? You understand what's happening here? Cool. So, I made a splash screen, so this is some randev, because I wanted to. And that's all I've done. Let's create another scene called... wait, no, I don't want a script, I want a scene. Scene title. We're going to 3D. What are y'all saying? I'm getting to work! Game Jam creation period is slated for October 18th to 25th currently. Itch.io page will be announced at the end of August. Hell yeah! Yeah. Sorry I'm not a better promoter, Pixel. I didn't really know what to say. But it's okay. People are going to be more motivated when it's closer. It won't have the itch page up. When you have the itch page up, that's when, like... That's when, you know. That's when shit gets real. But yeah. This is a good song. This is even like a new song. I've had this song before I stole, like, Tanuki's. This is in, like, playlist 2. Okay, I wanted to say it so it's easy to hear. Hell yeah! Oh, of course. Of course. Oh, I hope I enunciated it right. Or I hope I said the correct things. But yeah. BRB, I'll see you later. Ooh. What are we on? We're only an hour in. I feel like I've been doing this for like 3 hours. Okay. Alright. Okie dokie. I guess I shouldn't really be in here. I should be in Blender. Because I need to first model out some of these layers. But I could also just like do placeholder layers for now, and then play around with the camera position and stuff in the coding. And that sounds way more fun. And I deserve a stress-free game dev day, so that's what I'm going to do. We're going to make a mesh instance. We'll call this layer 1? We're going to call this like play layer. This is going to be hard because I can't just shift these around. I also need to have them stay up when I zoom into them for the other options. But we'll have play layer. Discard the mesh. Yeah, I'm going to give you a box mesh. There you go. And these be like far above that we see a lot of stuff. So maybe like up here. So it'd be about this big, and then no, not that tall. But like this tall. What's playing right now? Warmth is gone. I gotta get rid of some of these songs. They're not fitting my vibe. No. No, you're getting skipped. Oh yeah, Ferris wheel. Now we're talking. Okay. And then what? I guess we just create two new ones. Duplicate, and we'll have the settings layer. And then duplicate that, and we'll have the credits layer. And I think for the quit layer, it's just a black void, so we can just leave that. We go ahead and we don't seem to see it from the front. This should be good. The player, you go up a little. I guess we'll go up by 5. And then credits layer, you're gonna go down by 5. Like that. Okay, there we go. And we'll have to like look at it like this, maybe. Yeah, something like that. And then title up here. And then it zooms up here for the options. Okay. I enjoy the sound of that. I am preferring the sound of that. And then, I gotta do UI stuff. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what to do for that. I guess we'll bring out the code editor. And God, it's still stuck on the other things, though. Move from workspace. File, add folder to the project. There we go, select folder. Okay, perfect. Okay, there we go. And then source. So what would title be under? Because we have game, but it's not really a game thing. It's a title thing. Menus. Oh, here we go. Main menu, lobby. So I have a main menu already. Oh, that's right. I have this whole bevy system I need to account for. Also, I need to use the bathroom. Give me a sec. I'll be right back. Do I have a thing? What does this say? Surgery should too. BRB bathroom. Okay. Give me a sec. Don't worry, it's not gonna be a long one, I promise. Whew. Also, I want a drink. I bought like a drink on the way home, but I lost it. Oh, I see it. It's right there. Here's this. But I bought a second drink. I bought one of those like 69-cent things. Like the drink you get for 69 cents. That's carbonated and delicious. Oh, I see it. Okay. It's an Arctic. Oh, she's like Lidl brand. No wonder it's so cheap. Cherry limeade. Okay. All right, now I'll be right back. Okay. Ah! Boom. Oh, they're gonna put. No, I'm not. Also, that word is banned. I'll have you know. Literally, those. I literally couldn't poop that fast if I wanted to. It was the other one. I did it fast and quick, and I'm back. God damn, we get nothing. Oh, there's also a song I stole from Tanuki. Yeah. I don't know if this one fits the vibe though. This has to be for like a very triumphant moment, which is not a lot of my stream. Oh, yeah! Ben Jinx 264. Like the fucking MP4. I see you. This rule, hell yeah! Where'd it go? Oh, I guess the song ended right when he got here. I'm sorry, Ben Jinx 264. How's it going? Oh man, what a stream I've had so far. I'm doing game dev, making a title screen. Title screen's gonna use 3D environments, and it's gonna have like the UI embedded in this stuff. If I could reverse it, I would. But yeah, gonna write some code. So right now, here's what my menu looks like right now. Is you open it up, it's a multiplayer game. So we have solo, local multiplayer, host multiplayer game, and join lobby. So this would be like the scene for when you hit play game on the title screen. So I need to not worry about this yet. In fact, we can keep a lot of this. What I need to go do is go back and then go to here and create a new. I mean, it all has to be stored under one thing, the title screen, right? That's kind of the hard part about doing this in terms of code structures, because the title screen, dang, your arm just, I mean, if there's shit on over here, I gotta reach it over here. There's shit over here, I gotta reach it over here. I mean, I got a whole screen to touch. Clerk Cat, hello! I have to ask, why the penguins in the title? So much shit went down, I forgot I did that. And, I don't know. I just try and think of clickbaity titles to get people to click on my stream. Even if they don't make any sense at all. So like, wouldn't it be funny if there was this penguins taking over my title, even though there's no context for that? Fruitsy says you could probably join the jam. Let's go, Tanuki! We'd love to see it! Oh my god, let's go! I mean, Fruitsy is like a Twitch integration expert, so I figured she'd definitely be in there. I have to ask because Moonwood and I literally met real penguins today. What? Didn't even invite me? Oh. Yeah, well, I saw like a city pigeon today in DC. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, we'd love to hear it. I hope that was a good time. Yeah, penguins are great. I was unaware though. I mean, I knew, I was watching, and that's why the penguins are taking over. It's like finding a Pidgey. Yeah, well, who wants to find a Pidgey? They're Route 1, birds. Yeah. Boo, 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 boo. I'm trying to think of a fun penguin fact. I remember last time I saw penguins was probably also at the zoo. When was the last time you saw penguins? In our Antarctica. Duh. You didn't go to Antarctica and see a penguin? Okay, listen. If you're in Antarctica and there was an emperor penguin, like a really big one, would you, like, help cuddle its eggs to keep them warm? Or would you abandon them? See, that's like the true test, you know? Like, what would you do the TV show, but like for penguins, right? You ever come meet us? We'll take you meet the penguins? Oh! Yay! Hooray! Oh, I've won at life. Let's go. I'm gonna see some like, other penguins. West Coast penguins. I don't know what they're different from the ones over here. I've also seen Australian penguins. And by that I mean penguins in an Australian zoo, not penguins native to Australia. They poop out every 10 minutes? Ew! What happens if they sit on the eggs? Do the eggs just get pooped on? Oh no, I don't know if I wouldn't cuddle the eggs anymore. Aussie penguins, mate! What does that mean? I mean, I'd sit on them. It's 50-50 whether it's good or bad, though. I'm sure you can do it. Ben Chains, I believe in you. Yeah, I figured there has to be penguins in Australia. It's kind of close to Antarctica. I know there's ones in, like, South America at the very tip. And, like, Australia's closer than that. Oh my god, if I was a penguin dude, I would fucking swim all the places. Okay, I gotta get some. I gotta do something. New folder, title, and then how are we gonna start? So the title's got a bunch of states, right? So we gotta handle that first. Let's create a title state module and start from there. You see, don't you love state machines in Rust? Isn't it so convenient? I can just do like title state enum and start putting things in an enum. There's gonna be like the press start, press state. I don't know. What do you call the next one? Main menu, and then under that you'd have like the play menu, and then options menu, credits. And that's it, because quit would just take you right to quit. Oh my god, you're reaching and typing your hands and getting big and small like a chicken. Yeah! The chicken's a redeem. I need to make it better. But right now I can only add one chicken to the stream, but we want to add more. Our engineers are working hard to get more chickens into the stream interface as we speak. But for right now, we get a little preview. A single chicken I ripped from Ocarina of Time. It's the only thing in the stream interface I didn't make is the fucking chicken that everyone loves. Can you believe that? It's like, I want some appreciation for my things. You know how hard it is to rig this arm to stretch like this? You can't just use an IK. The IK doesn't let you stretch bones. It sucks. I hate it. Oh my, it was so much work to calculate the correct scale, and sometimes it's even accurate still. But y'all never know, because I put in the polish and the time. So as far as you think, it's amazing. Hold on, I'm opening my carbonated cherry limeade drink. I don't know what they call this. No certified synthetic colors, thanks. I mean, you can put a little in if you want. I could go for some freaky color dyes in my drink. Oh, I hate that flavor. That was one of the worst things I've drank in my life. Not including all the other times I drank the worst things. It's not terrible, it's just, you know, the carbonation plus cherry limeade. I was hoping the cherry would overpower the limeade, but I think the limeade just overpowers everything. We just met. Tell me your deepest, darkest secret. My deepest, darkest secret? My deepest, darkest secret? My deepest, darkest secret? You can't put me on a spot like this. I don't have time to think of something funny to say in response. So I guess all I can do is tell you my truest, deepest, darkest secrets. The truth is, I'm not really a red floating witch with a TV face. I'm actually just a human in like a normal Earth location, streaming from a normal computer, and this is all just like a simulation I made in Godot. I know, isn't that crazy? Sometimes I go to the bathroom and leave the door open. What the ew! Oh! Get out of here, Ben Jinx! That's the, you can't, oh! How could you? Oh! I almost banned you right then and there, but, you know, I held back because I need to give you a second chance. Everyone deserves second chances, even you, Ben Jinx, 240s, 264. Why'd you upgrade to 265? The MP4s have gotten better. Lies. It's the truth. It's the truth. I forgave Dev. I'm sorry. Because I'm not 265. I'm 264. No. I can increment you. I can increment you. I can fix you. I can fix them. I can increment them better. I'm looking at you right. Don't do that. I'm not meant for human consumption, even if it's consumption through visual, ocular, organs. Like the Nintendo 64, but without the 2. So it'd just be a Nintendo 64 then. It'd be this way. But without the, oh, I see what you're saying. I thought you meant the Nintendo 64 was like the thing without the 2. But I guess it is. Okay, that makes it, whoa, yeah, they are, right? Are they not organs? Oh, y'all maybe do some weird shit. Let me turn on my VPN before I start opening browser stuff. Okay. Don't show me a gross eye. Are eyes organs? It's a sensory organ. Yeah! I think everything's just like an organ. You just say it's an organ and it's an organ, you know? It's like a motherfucker starts saying skin was an organ. It's like, okay. All right, Sherlock. Answer, then explain why I keep peeling off my hangnails then if it's such a great organ. Yeah, that's what I thought. Fucking weak to my own nails. But nails aren't an organ even though they beat skin. Did you know your body and eyes don't like each other if the immune system learns that it'll eat them? Yeah. I mean, I feel like it'll eat anything, right? Is mayonnaise an organ? Mayonnaise is not an organ, Cameron. Mayo. Let's create a title. Let's create a title component. Edit the title component. We're gonna derive from component. Engaging and important commentary from me. I know. And state is title state, which I can't import because this does not exist yet. Mod title state. Oh, like title hate. Fucking got him. Title. Okay. The title there. This should autocomplete now. State. No, it is not. We gotta make that public. Like everything we do. It'll also be public. What if I want a little privacy? You would consider that rust in your publicity system. That is very epic and cool. May no Torgan? Okay, what the fuck are you saying? I'm scared. Why is this not working? Oh, because it doesn't know what title state is. It needs default. I'll do you one better. I'll use initial value is title state. Press start. There we go. I just added this feature, by the way. You can now set an initial value for a field instead of relying on the default value when you use a component. I know, it's pretty cool if I do say so myself. And I do. So let's go ahead and compile this. Boo. Oh. Okay, so I have a Gatorade here. This is what I picked up at the Lidl I stopped at. So the cool thing was that, like, Lidl's my favorite grocery store ever, right? And I go to the gas station, you know, back at the store I was talking about where I was driving home today from DC from, I went to the American Art Museum, Smithsonian thing, because it was an event with indie games. And like one of my other indie game friends was like, yeah, you go to this thing. I was like, I guess I'll go to this thing. And I didn't really want to go when I woke up today, but I already bought the parking. So I guess I had to go. And so I went, and there was like 4 indie games there. And I was like, okay, well, at least I can go through the museum. And I did. It was a pretty good time, actually. And then I was tired. And so I went and ate a burger. And then I went home. I drove home. And you know what's fucked up? Is my parking garage was like the worst parking garage I've ever seen. It was $7, which is insane for DC. But I got it. And I look at, once I get there, I buy it on like some other website or app, and then click navigate to go to it, and it brings up Google Maps, and the Google Maps review is like 1 star. I'm like, oh, uh-oh. And then, no, I'm sure it's gonna be fine. I get there, and I drive in. Actually, no, I drive into the wrong parking garage, and that was really embarrassing. I was like, of course I do that. They were across the street from each other, and the Google Maps dot was in the middle of the street. So I just went into the parking garage I saw first, which was not the right one, even though they both look identical, and they both had the same sign too. That's what fucked me up, is I go into this one garage, and they're like, oh, you went to the garage on the other side of the street based on this address. And I was like, well, okay. And so I go to the other side of the street after making like a crazy like turnaround in DC traffic, and I get there, and I look over, and it has the same fucking sign design. Where it's like, yeah, you blah, 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 you scan this QR code to enter. It's like, well, what? Is this not a separate one? Does it have a separate system? I don't know. But I look at the pictures on the app for the spot I bought, and there it was. It was the correct place. So you drive in, you drive down, and it's like really tight. And you have to drive down like you have to go down like 3 layers before there's any parking. I don't mean that's because the parking was taken. I mean, no, just like one road that could not fit 2 cars, but it did have markings for 2 lanes for cars to get in and out, which was also really scary. Because if someone came up while I was going down, or vice versa, neither of us were going anywhere. But I get down there, and I park. There's no indication. I don't scan anything. There's no way for me to like confirm that they know that I bought the ticket or whatever, but okay. And then I read the instructions, and it was like, oh yeah, by the way, there's no stairs or like elevator. You have to walk up the, you have to walk up the, what they call it, the road ramp to get out. So you have to walk up 3 floors of road ramp. And on the tiny street, there was no like place to walk. There's no sidewalk. You just walk on the road to get out. And I was like, okay, this is why this is 1 star. And that's what happened. And then also it was really like short. It was like, that's what I was saying in the reviews. It was like a really tiny, like the ceiling was low in the garage, low enough where I had to bend down for a lot of the parts where I walked through, which is, I'm not that tall, so that's like insane. I was like 5'6" clearance for some of those spots. I couldn't believe it. Honestly, you could have died. I could have. Anyway, no, the part where I could have died is when I drove back, and I was like, well, I went back and there was like a family playing soccer in there for some reason. I was like, okay, I'm gonna do this next to all the cars. But I'm like, all right, let me just go home. And I'm tired, and I'm driving home, and I'm like too tired to drive. And I was like, well, shit. Okay, let me pull over to a gas station. So I do. And that's when I fell asleep for an hour. And then you were like 6'3"? No, I'm like 6 foot -7. 6 -7. Ah! 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7. Wait, if I was 6 -7, wouldn't that mean I'd fit the clearance though? Shit. Wait, no. I'm like 6 -4. There we go. Okay. Oh. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I fell asleep I said this already in my crash, but I fell asleep in a gas station. But when I woke up, I looked over and there was a Lidl there. And it was like the grocery store. My favorite grocery store was also there. And I was like, oh my god, it's a I didn't do this on purpose. It's a coincidence that Lidl's here. It means that I did good today. And so I went and I got these drinks. And one of them is a blue Gatorade Zero. And one of them is the aforementioned cherry limeade that I hate. What if I mix them together? Would that make them better? I'm gonna do that right now. I'm doing it. This is a bad idea, but I'm doing it. Cause the Gatorade would dilute the carbonation. So it'd probably taste good, right? I dripped a little on myself. Can you hear it? I poured way too much into the Gatorade. Uh-oh. Oh no. Seagoat! Oh! That's why you're the goat! The goat! Thank you for the bits. You're always bitten everywhere, wherever you go. Anyway, how's it going? There's a new voice system in my stream interface where you can now configure your voice. Wait. So you are a potion witch? Yeah! I guess I am now. Well, I don't know if I'm a good potion witch. Let's take a sip of the whatever I just concocted. Oh, it's a very opinionated drink. I don't know how else to describe it. I wouldn't say it's undrinkable. I could definitely finish this. But like, can I change it? Yeah! Send solicited biddy pics. Oh, okay. Okay. Alright, well, if you insist, I do have a strategy that I could employ to give you the biddy tits. Or the biddy, whatever you said. If I click on this and this, and then go over here, I heard something happen, but I'm busy giving biddy pics. Look at it. Look at my booty. Oh, it's beautiful. Don't you love it? It's a little shaped weird, but it's still good, I think. Anywho, what? How do I get out of this? Wait, where's my thing? Why is it at the peak? It doesn't take my input anymore. Oh my god, I'm trapped in preview mode. Cause when when I move the stream interface to the top of the system, it sets it to always on top. But I can fix it by using the input. But I can't click the input because I turned off input to go into preview mode. Oh my God! Why does this keep happening? Why does this keep happening? I think the voice train is. Hold on. Oh, I can't even read what's happening. Who did a thing? What was the sound I heard earlier? Can I move this over? Oh, wait, I can just hit F4. I'm dumb. Oh no, I can't hit F4 because the input is disabled to use the preview camera. Oh, wait, what do I do here? Like, actually, what do I do here? Y'all don't even understand what's happening. Wait, if I had Alt-Tab, maybe. Alt-Enter? Alt-F4? I'm not hitting Alt-F4, Moon. I already came up with that idea. Oh, bits? Someone sent me enough bits for it to, like, do the notification? Okay, time to come back to me with my stream. We'll give serve privacy. Okay, wait. If I click on this. Wait, there's like a way I can move it, right? Wait, hold on. I know Windows. I don't know Windows. Okay, I got Google on the phone. I sent 100 more. Oh, Zigo, I'm not worthy. I apologize for not giving you all a good viewing experience today. That was the sound? Oh, well, thank you. Go, Seagoat, go, W, hell yeah! How to set window to move mode from task bar. Move off-screen window back to screen. Yeah, okay, here we go. If it's possible, click the right ways, and then foolproof the way it's found always helps find. Wait, I can Alt-Tab! Can't I? Alt-Tab? Alt-Tab, I want to Alt-Tab to this window. But it's not going to work because this one's always on top. Oh. Can I drag it, please? Just let me drag it. Can I please just drag it? It's not going to let me drag it, is it? Dragging these nuts! Why is VitoTube still running? Oh. Wait. No. There's like a way you set it to move mode, isn't there? I gotta set this back to a normal camera perspective. Hold on. We'll make it so like no one will ever know. Look. Basically fixed. Wait. Basically fixed. No one would ever know the stream interface is fucked right now, except for the fact that when I go into free cam mode, the outline shader turns off. Because it's like a special compositor effect. So I can't really do anything about that. But hey, you know, maybe it's good to go outlineless every once in a while. Who needs an outline anyway? But I also can't see my chat or do anything with that, but that's fine. That's part of the fun. Are we having fun? Oh, wait, this one worked. Move. And I put it here or not? Okay. I literally was able to go into move mode though. Like, can I size? Oh! Okay, we do this and we go to 3D or go to game and enable input mode again. And turn off this. Oh! And then we can, oh my god, the shit's fixed. Okay. Alright. I've gained new knowledge. Number 1, don't ever do what I just did. Well, it's committing music. Okay. Let me see. Oh, there it is. Thank you, Seagoat Games. And solicited Biddy. I did send. Biddy, not booty. Okay. Well, okay. I'll fix it. I'll fix it for you. By putting this over here this time, so that way I can fix my mistake. Let's see if I can get under. My biddies are covered by a fucking witch thing. I don't know if I can show you them. I'm censored. I'm freaking censored, Seagull. What am I gonna do? Oh no! They got me. Damn. Well, I hope you enjoyed what you got. Oh, okay, turn this off and then bring this back to input mode. There we go. Oh, I'm basically an expert on my own thing now. Okay, Biddy is not. What the hell is Biddy? Control Shift Escape. Oh, I should have tried that. Isn't that just like? Isn't that just like the menu where you can like open the other thing? I don't want to do that. I don't want people to see my menu. What happens when you do that when you're streaming? Are you gonna Google what a biddy is? Okay. What is a tiny, composed of small pieces that lack comprehension? No. Show menu. I'm trying to make my menu. What am I about to pull up here? I can't connect to Urban Dictionary with a VPN. Oh, they're cowards. Oh no. Well, I tried. I made an effort to educate myself and I couldn't do it. That's okay. It's about the thought that counts. Kubler POV. Oh, too much work. I may have gone too far in certain places with the pitch. I might need to fix those. Where you have a DDoS stuff. How is it only 90 minutes in the stream? How is it some streams go by so fast? This one's like the slowest stream I've ever done in my life. Oh, okay. Okay. This is in progress done. How is that, gamers? It's good that time slows down. It gives me more time to make things. So, we created a title, we compiled it. We go back here. So we got hired to texture making. Is that a misspelling of lecture or misspelling of texture? But either way, I'm gonna assume texture, right? I thought for sure Red Rabbit was gonna say lecture, and I was like, oh, you got like a student job. Nice. Oh shit, let's go. Texturing's hard. I hope you have a good time with that. I hate texturing. Probably my least favorite thing ever. But everyone else seems to love it because everyone else is like real artists who can do like draw. Like I can't draw, I just pull vertices around. And sometimes it looks good. We'll give the component to this node, because why not? I need to organize these. I need a search bar for my component list. Okay, so what am I gonna do with this information now? I have title. Oh, I'm stretching. Hold on. Oh, I forgot to do when I got home. I have to like wash off my sunblock. Now I feel all gross. Should I do that during the lyric song? That's definitely gonna get copyrighted when I'm gone. Yeah, after the lyric song, I'm gonna go wash off my sunblock. 35. Nice. Only subscribe. So what the? Wait, you're a subscriber though. Oh no! The subscriber thing doesn't update. It only sets the value when you first join the chat. So oh crap. Lion Burl, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh. You have to come back and set that on another stream because I need to fix that. But that's. Oh god. That's what I'm saying. I didn't realize, Moon. I didn't know. There was too many things happening at the start of stream. Maybe probably more than mine. I don't even think that worked, but okay, yeah. It'd be this way. We got it. We got it. Okay. I hope it refunded you, right? I think it should refund you when it doesn't let you do a thing. And now I'm just a demon son. What'd you set yours to? 50, 10 minutes ago? Wait, you set it to 50? Wait, hold on. What was this? You used voice training. Was this during my arc where I was in the, stuck looking at my biddies? Hello, Whoppy. Oh my god, hey, how's it going? Hey, thank you for stopping by. I'm just a demon son. Where is this redeemed, though? I don't see it on the redeem list. How did I miss this? I feel like I'm gone so long ago, and it's not even... I tried setting it to 50, but it said I can't because I'm not a subscriber, but I am. Oh! Well, You can set it to 25 now, and I'll update it if you remind me next stream. Before that, I never said. I think it was from the beginning when everyone was Moon. Oh, shit! You defaulted to... Oh... Hey, where was it? I've came with my pizza! Don't make me jealous. My stream's been exploding all stream. Hey, Juji. Oh my god, you never even set your thing. 35. No, set it to 25. And then that'll be as high as it can go. I should probably put that in the message, right? Like, icing goes 25. You can change it. You can set it back to the default. You can change the pitch now to up to 25 or more if you're a subscriber. You can do a bunch of things now. Okay. Okay. So is everyone's voices just low? Because a lot of them have like had pre, or I don't know. Say something now, Lion Barrel. Say that right. So you're good there. I assumed, you know, since I'm a sub, but no. Ah! Oh. I did not get the pitch message. Is everyone just set the lowest possible value? Is that what's happening? Oh, there might be something with the calculation still. Oh, y'all, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna just, okay, we'll figure it out. I'm crying. No! No! Whopper, your voice actually doesn't sound that bad. You're probably the best one I hear currently. Like I said before, 50, 37 or something. That's not even true though. It's like that 55 by 50 is like at least like 102. Why is it so freaking deep in here? Let's fuck it up. Everyone's a Batman. Batman, can you pass the soup? Fanny would have loved that. Okay, I gotta stand up. I gotta stretch. Okay, I don't use that redeem too many times, so we're gonna fix it. Okay. Sit back down. What? Oh! Oh, it's wait, what'd you set it to? You set it to 25. So like it's as if the pitch, it's as if like it's always going down. Like, oh my god, wait, oh my god, how am I gonna pull? I don't want to go back into the stream interface. Then we're gonna go back into the stream interface. You're gonna make me do it, aren't you? I have to go back. 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 We're gonna pull it in. Gamers? Okay, first it's time to rise up. Can I get rid of this on my clipboard? Okay. File, add folder to the project. Okay. File, add folder to the project. Thank you. Thank you. Doing that for like 3 tries. Select folder. So it's clearly something with sounds, which it's the only thing really edited so far. But it's something with the serialization of the pitch settings. Like, we do pitch as real divided by 100. But pitch? This is, whoa. What is pitch right now? Pitch plus 50. This should be a value between -50 and +50. So 0 should just be adding 0 to it. And 25 should be increasing it, but it's not. I think the baseline is messed up or something. I got to eat my pizza, but I just wanted to stop in and say hi. Also, I got to do Blender things and get stuff. Oh, fuck yeah! Get that shit, Juji. Good luck. I hope you make more progress than I do today. I mean, I guess I made progress. Oh, hey, thank you for the 5 stream streak, Red Rabbit, by the way. So much to... This needs me help. I'm starting to sound like myself. Oh my god, this is another song I took from Tanuki. What, it's like I'm gargling? It's me? So you're thinking it doesn't think I'm a sub? Okay, y'all, I'm working on it. I'm trying. Oh, okay. Just bring your best. All bring your best. This is a song I'm using like hype for this. Where I was wrong in this world, life's an open door in this world, compromise does not exist in this world. Something says beats the rest. This world. In this world. Am I setting the pitch wrong? I mean, it's clearly this was working, right? But then something about this, where everything's getting all fucky. So child player is assigned here. Dude, never cook again. Suckers was so good. In my opinion, for this is the worst music of all Sonic games. That's kind of because it goes for something else. Yo, yeah, Wappy, I agree. I mean, I guess there's like a couple songs. Like the boss song was okay, but I am not a fan of Sonic Frontiers music or anything otherwise. I don't know what to put here. Why is it doing this? Okay, what is play coming from? Play. Okay. Roll. In this world. Where's play being called from? Here. It's passing pitch, which is part of this. Pitch is assigned somewhere. I mean, it's just a value from -50 to +50, right? Oh, y'all, I can't do this on stream. I have to like really have to figure this out off stream. I need to be able to test and like put print statements into the console, but I can't do that while I'm streaming. So I'm afraid I'm just gonna have to accept that y'all have low voices for now, but they will be fixed. Whatever value your voice is currently set to, it will use that when stream starts tomorrow. I swear to you. That is a certified promise. Get it? Certified? I'm permanently trapped to be... No, Lion Pharaoh, I'm sorry. Certified? Yeah! Oh my god. Moon, you sound so funny now. I like it a lot. I can unfollow him from that joke. Don't you ever joke about unfollowing. I will always expect you to follow me from now until the end of time. Damn, Red Rabbit, your voice sounds great. Moon sounds like Morshoe. Why does everyone sound so bad? I looked at the code! Your pitch shouldn't be changing at all. Like maybe instead of using a title state, I use components, I guess. I don't know. I think it's just adjust my mic for my stream permanently sound like this. Yes! Please! Let there be a redeem where you just shift it down by 1% every time it gets redeemed. Until eventually it's like as low as that. That'd be a good redeem. And they have a redeem where it goes the opposite direction. People can customize your voice in real time using a +1%, ±1% pitch shift. You have their own custom Moon experience. You ever think, oh, I should do that? That's a great idea. Wait. And like over time, it slowly normalizes. So you have to keep spending your points to keep it at a certain place. But like stays there for a while. Oh, yeah. Yeah. This song sucks. It's definitely not a Tanuki song. Title state, press start, main menu, play. What am I gonna do here? I guess for starters, let's put an update function to one of these, and then handle that from there. How's Devin going, by the way? I have not made a single lick of progress. It's been 2 hours almost. It's not even been 2 hours. It's like you're at school and you're looking at the clock. 1:47. I mean, this might be a 3-hour stream, y'all. I don't have the energy for this. I haven't slept in so long. No, that's not true. I slept at the gas station, but I haven't slept like a real sleep in so long. Oh, that's right. Sorry, y'all. Give me a second. I have like a weird texture thing in my sunblock. It's so gross. Let me wash it off real fast. Just like all over my face and everything. Oh. I gotta take my meds. Oh! I dropped my earbuds on the ground and now they're cursed. They're cursed. They're freaking cursed. Go to sleep like a baby you are. No, no, Hyper. I'm a real adult person. I can handle one. I can't leave until I've made a bit of progress. It's like a tiny bit of progress, you know? At least have to be like a press start thing that appears and I push start and it does it. I gotta do that at the bare minimum. Okay. I can't sleep till I was messaging my friend about Flowery. Are you a big Flowery fan? I feel like a lot of people are. Would you say, oh God. My multivitamin thing is like hot next to my computer. Where's my thing there? Are they gonna get like melted? That's not good. Oh no. Okay. And now I have my drink here. Okay, perfect. Doesn't like him because he's selfish. I like him because he's a jerk and a deeper character than most people think he is. Yeah, Flowery's pretty cool. And I'm like a Rouse lover, and I like Flowery. So, yeah. Whatever your friend says. Anyway, I don't know. What's my text say? BRB washing face. Okay. BRB washing F. Don't look at it. Don't look at my F. Oh, it's too shy. Oh, okay, we're safe now. We're good. All right, welcome back to more of this. 6 a.m. music. Okay. All right, y'all. Enough fucking around. Let's lock in for a second. I know I just made a funny gag. We've been hanging out, crashing out, puking out. But whoa! Wait, there's like chat stuff. Hold on, I gotta get my chair adjusted. What about chat? Okay, everybody dislikes me. Oh no, Whoppy. I'm sure it's not that serious. Does my pixel art look good? Oh, Cameron, your voice out. Yes. Mine is worse. I'm sorry, everyone. I did like Rousey, but I think at the end of chapter 3, I really disliked him, and through chapter 4, I hated him. But I like how in chapter 5, though I would say he's a bigger jerk to Flowery than Flowery is to him. And in chapter 3, I really disliked him. But I feel like Rousey barely even did anything in chapter 3. Maybe that's why he disliked him? I don't know. Hated Rousey after chapter 4. How dare you? Interesting. I don't know if I can debate this. Oh. Want me to replace my link? No, you're good. I saw your link. Why does 6 a.m. music always appear at 4 a.m. 4 a.m. dot 4 for me? I can click on link. Yeah, I'll leave Twitch. What is he like? Oh, hey! Actually, I like your fucking pixel art a lot. Aw. There it is. Ely. Names like that are always hilarious to me. You put an I and an L next to each other, and you can't even tell which is which, and it's like, is that on purpose? It's confusion. Ely. So cute. Yeah, I didn't know you could do pixel art, Cameron. You should do more. I think it fits your style a lot. Oh. Okay. Did I miss any 6 seconds? He felt too stagnant. I did like the moments at the end of chapter 4 with Rossi, but in my opinion, it was a bit too late for me to change my mind on him. I mean, I guess, but like, it wasn't really a Rousey chapter per se. I don't know. I don't know. Can you really have every character be constantly evolving at all times? It's better to have certain peaks and bows for character development, maybe. I do like him. Yeah, I mean, Rousey was peak in chapter 5. I agree. A lot of people disagree. A lot of people hate Rousey, which sucks because, like, Rousey was, like, got shit on first every time he ever got pissed at someone else. Sorry, this is, like, kind of like Deltarune spoilers. But, like, Rousey never struck first. Rousey got his ass stuffed into a fucking closet and got, like, his hat put back on him against his will and all this shit that Flowery did before he got pissed at Flowery. And same with Orange. And, like, oh, kiss anyone you like costs 2,000? I don't know if y'all need to be letting y'all kiss each other. But, I'll consider. I'll think about it. Hey, Izera, how's it going? It's me. I'm streaming on time. How are you doing? This has been a normal stream, and you do not need to watch the VOD later, because there's nothing to see there. This has been like a great, typical stream. Look at all the code progress I've done. I made this enum. It's pretty cool. As soon as I get my money back, I'm gonna get $8 premium, so I don't have to delete every project file. And I gotta take 1 GB of storage, like Procreate. Wait, sorry, I forgot the context. First time doing it. Yeah, $8 premium for what? So I have to delete every project file, and I'm so confused. $8 premium. I must have missed something way higher up. Oh no! Give me context, Cameron. Give me context. My pixel art app. But what's it called? What's the name? I love that he literally hates Flowery the first second in Orange because he finally just isn't a. Oh hi guys! I think Chris wants me to think now. I disagree though. He doesn't hate Flowery in the first second. The first thing we do is we go into the dark world and Flowery stuffed Rousey into a closet. That sucked. That was so rude. And then Rousey gets shit on for not liking this guy for the rest of the chapter, even though he started it. Anyway, I don't know. Oh, here it is. I mean, it's gonna be literally called Pixel. Oh, Pixquare, the #1 pixel art editor. Oh, look at that. Okay. You did this on your phone? God damn. I haven't been feeling well. I've seen sleep a lot lately. Oh, hi, Zara. But can't miss the stream if I can't help it. Yeah, it's all good. I appreciate you being here and no obligation. But thanks for hanging out. And I hope that I can make your time a little better. I've also been sleepy. I am very tired today, as I always am. But I think once I get through this tiredness today, it'll fix my sleep schedule for the better. Because I went through all of today with only, like, I mean, usually I take a longer nap, but I took a nap in a car, so that really, like, stopped it from going out of hand. 6767676767676. I use Procreate Pocket too, so there's that. Oh, yeah. Isn't there, like, Ace Sprite for mobile now, or am I crazy? Ace Sprite Apple Store. There's Resprite, which might be like, oh, is this like a... Is this Ace Sprite but, like, recompiled because it's open sourced for whatever? No? Oh. I mean, Resprite seems to be is, like, based on Ace Sprite. I don't know, I can look it up. Resprite is based on Ace Sprite iPhone. Is Resprite the same as Ace Sprite? I actually went to Pixaki. No, yeah, people were like, yeah, fuck that app. Okay, whatever. Never mind. I didn't say anything. You didn't hear a word from me. God, okay, y'all, how do I do an update loop and title? I'm looking at a thing called update title. I'm gonna go from there. Update title. And then I tried Resprite. It was a bunch more expensive and only one export per day for. Ew! What's up with that? Only one export per day? That's how they monetize it? That's crazy. Oh. Makes me nostalgic though. For a time when I didn't have a computer, I'd do everything on my phone. Good times. Too bad they don't want to do a desktop version of their app. Oh yeah, of the one we talked about earlier, like the Pixel one. Or was it Procreate? Yeah, I'm not too old anyways. Dang. These corporations and their inability to make things good. Procreate. Yeah. I remember that. Someone told me that Procreate's like iPad only or something. Which is crazy, 'cause I feel like I hear it all the time. But it's only for one device? It's that popular? Y'all. It can't be that good, is it? Yeah. You always let me know, Whoppy. Thank you. Function update tile. So here's where we can update the stuff. So we're gonna create an update tile, create a new folder, update title, and then here we can have different update functions for each phase. So we'll have like title, it's gonna be one title, right? Surely this is gonna be one title every time. Title. And then, I also have to handle like the entry through the states and stuff. Oh, okay. Okay. Update title. I guess I have to set up too. Pub super function setup. Mute app. And then what are we doing? Nothing yet. Oh no, we have to add app, add systems. It's not up. Yeah, it has to be update because we're not in the world of rollback yet. It's just a menu. Oh, it's gonna be so nice to be able to write code without having to think about determinism and all this BS. Oh god, I hate determinism so much. Get it out of my veins. Get it out of my games. Get it out of all of me. Match, title, and then... oh god, I'm like hiccupy. Because of this drink? No. That doesn't mean I'm streaming. Okay. Next we can get copy here. Get this, copy, derive. Oh crap, do I have it clone? Oh yeah, fine, whatever. You have copy and clone. No, I don't want to have that because I'm gonna put data in these later. So we're actually not gonna do any of that. In fact, we're gonna make this a reference get. So I'm gonna get the state. Bam bam. Title state. Press start. Guess I added it here. Okay, function update state. And then we'll add this module here. State. I'm going to update. Press state. Update press state. Yeah, I didn't see that one coming, did you? And then the other ones for now. All right, what's wrong with this? Oh, it's private. Well, private, I'm gonna upgrade you to rank pub super. I think I was 2. That was 6464x10. I'm like the Riddler, but instead of riddles, I just either tell the truth or lie, and they have to figure out which is which. I can tell which is which. Try me, Whoppy. You're the free sphinxes. Also sprinkle on jokes that are below dad cool jokes quality. Yeah. So like mom jokes. Pick Square is Ace Sprite Mobile to the point where the developer even said so in its credits. Oh shit. Oh, that's the one you're using, right? Right? Yeah, I remember the logo. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. That's actually a really nice app. Well, I'm glad it's accessible on phone. Back in my day, oh my, you could do anything on phones. If you want to watch a video on a web browser, it was like impossible. You had to download like a special web browser to watch anything on any website ever. It's the worst. We didn't even have Minecraft. We had fucking Junk Jack. It was like Terraria, but bad. And Terraria's already bad, so like it was really awful. Okay, so update that. Update this. Uncle jokes. Well, an uncle still can be dad, so it'd still be the same quality of jokes. Whoppy makes mom jokes. I ate some cabbage today. Oh, is that a truth or a lie? I think that's a lie. I think you didn't eat cabbage today. I can smell it in your message. There was no cabbage consumption. Okay, should I just like reject all of the voice training ones because they broke? Okay, everyone's getting free voice training today. Refunding. Even if I refund it, it's still gonna like keep the progress, so I'm just gonna refund everyone the voice training. I accepted some voice training earlier though, so I apologize for that. Accepting. Yeah! I don't know, I could never get into Terraria. I feel like maybe if I got into it early enough, I could have liked it better. But like now the game is so complicated and everyone knows what to do except me, and it's hard to play with other people, and it's just not a fun experience playing alone. So it's, I don't know, it's just also really hard of a game. Like unnecessarily hard, and it's not fun when it's that hard. So I'm not a big fan of Terraria. The Google would just breakout. You had the best breakout clones though? I guess we did. I suppose we did. What else do we have? Yo, we had like a visual novel scene that was going on early on. What did I play? Was it Kira? I didn't replay that. I never finished that. Kira. Yeah, this is it. Damn, this is probably like really generic when I go play it back. Oh. Ah, my side is itchy. I actually forgot to eat for like half the day, so I'm correct. I'm a Terraria hater because I feel like it's way more tedious. I have something 400 hours on Terraria. I think, oh, you're a different kind of Terraria player or hater. I hate Terraria just because I don't know, I play like 2 hours. I haven't really invested any time into it at all. 400. You know, that's how you hate a game you put 400 hours into. Gives me the Monster House stare. You know the one. It's like the meme where guys like, you must really like that game, right? It looks like you like this. Oh! Shout out Monster House guy. Oh my god, I'm so glad he's back. Also, when I first played Terraria, it was on modded where there was even more insane bosses. Wow, you do that to yourself. Well, then of course he would have bad. He's not defending Terraria because like, well, hold on. Oh, you have it in HD. Oh my god, look at it. Thank you, Moon, for the high definition movie clip in my chat. I will cherish it fondly. I'm gonna pin it. I'm gonna pin it till the end of the stream. What? It's so tiny in the pin, Dad. What the no? Oh my god, it's not rejecting any of my okay, I just auto reject everything for the past like hour. The stream is I just reject everything when the stream is fucked. That should just be my policy. Like if the stream's fucked, it's free day. Do whatever you want. It was due to some guy not feeling like we're playing the base game again. Yeah, well, that's the worst thing, right? Is when that's like the worst experience of your life. Is playing a multiplayer game with someone who's already beat it before, and they just do not give two shits about your experience. That was like the worst experience I had with Baldur's Gate, where it's like I tried, you know, I played it, and then I was very cognizant of the experience of new players I played with, but everyone else I played with was not, and they did not give two fucking shits. And they would just, it's a horrible experience doing that. And I feel like Terraria is definitely another game that's really prone to that shit, where if it's someone who's experienced with the game, playing with them is miserable as a new player, because everything's gonna get done, you're gonna get very confused, you're not going to experience the game. Fuck that piece of shit I used to consider a friend. Oh, Whoppy. Yeah, it happens. Didn't know anything about trinkets and got laughed at because oh, that sucks. What the hell? You're a new player. You can't even know if you don't. No one tells you. Doesn't know what a trinket is. Ah, that's wild. Well, I'm glad you're no longer associated with such cretins. What does that word mean? A person considering foolish or unintelligent. Ooh! Yeah, those fucking cretins. Like I'm saying, like, what does that actually mean? I hope that isn't too bad of a word. Again, he was a giant piece of shit. Yeah. Meanwhile, we're updating press state, and it's pretty hype happening over here. Imshare SBS. What have you sent me here? Oh, more. Oh, I hear Moon. It's a really aggressive start. If you had said that at the wrong time, Moon, I would have passed out. I would have died. I'd be like, no. Also, I'm pretty sure a friend of his was trying to flirt with my sister while she was, oh, that's, yeah, oh. Yeesh. Well, you did good, Whoppy. I pat you on the head, but I don't have that as a feature yet, so I'll have to do it with a redeem. Where is it? Do I have it enabled? Oh, there it is. There you go. You did a good job. Anywho. What? What you doing now? So we gotta add this to this. We gotta add setup to mod here. Why do these not have any setups? There's no way. Yeah, they have setup here. Where is this called from? In the mod here? Come on, wait. Come on, enter. You literally has a setup function that is inaccessible because it's not used. Oh, it has plugins. Each of these modules has their own plugin. That's what I should be using. Okay, why not? So that's the typical Bevy way. I don't like it as much. I think my system's way better, but whatever. I'm never going to disable these plugins anyway, so what's the point? Okay. What was it that needed a title? Or it's probably update title, considering that I was updating. Okay, update title. And then add this to the module. Again. Make that public. This. Update title. And then get rid of this. And then we add this plugin to the main app in here. So you're gonna add it here. It's beautiful. Look at it hanging out with all the other plugins. It's so wonderful and nice. See, if it's, yeah, I saw it. I started to decide, do I draw or do I chat? I feel like if you're asking me, that means you don't want to draw, and so I don't want to force you to draw. You should chat then. I say you chat and relax and have a good rest in your bed. Don't force yourself, Whoppy. You know what I'm saying? If you need to draw Rayman for today, you can draw it tomorrow. You just draw 2 tomorrow. For like half the effort or whatever, you know? What Squidward say is why do today what you could do tomorrow? And Mr. Krabs like, what is today but yesterday's tomorrow? Huh? So it's basically that. But it's defeating me like an open book. What the fuck? I mean, it's true. I mean, it's literally me. You literally, in my life, you did draw. Oh, okay. In that case, well then what's even the obligation? Just chat. Just hang out. Relax. You want M or foom? Art fugged. I don't know why that killed me. Art fugged. I'm getting art fucked. Okay. All right. What song is this? Song is so dramatic. Oh, it's the Sonic Colors one. Well, you still deserve the rest and not art fucked. There's still so many days of art fight left. Let me count them. We have 1 more week, which is plenty of time to art fight to your heart's content. You know I am, even though my heart has been contented for a while. Okay. Mod, you're good. You're banned. Okay. That's taken care of. 3 more drawing at least. No! Whoppy, I swear to God, if I see 1 more drawing of your art fight, I will find you. And I will force you to go to sleep one way or the other. And you do not like to know my method. It involves, I don't know, chopping you in the neck until you pass out. But like you just chop someone in the neck? Is the song too loud? How do I test that again? You ever just chop someone in the neck? It is too loud. Look at it. Oh my God, it's so loud. Okay, whoa. That one has to go. Hold your horses. Is that in Tanuki? Did Tanuki send in a two? Wait, what is this called? Planet. I can't hear you. Maybe you can't hear me. You can clearly hear me now. Picture the stars, but it's not even in Tanuki's thing. It's in a different playlist. Nintendo 2, even though it contains Sonic songs. Sonic Color. Here it is! Why is this song so loud? This is like minus 22. Has it never played before? That's crazy. Oh my God, it was so loud. Okay. What? What'd you say? I already turned it down, Moon. Colors is a Wii exclusive, so it makes sense. Oh, yeah, that's true. It is Wii Saturday. Oh crap, now that I'm no longer in a rollback world, I can just read like input like a normal person. And my name is Anakin. I'm a person, my name is Anakin. So we can go in here. God, I want to play Sonic Colors. Me too, I wish I was doing that. If input... Where's input? Oh, come on. Just give me input. What is this import? You know this is not the import, right, Zed? That's the import, which is way simpler. So I think you'd go for that. Is... Key pressed. Key space, maybe? I think on how to stream game dev and also games. Yeah, I mean, streaming game dev is whatever. You really want to not be too much in the code for the stream. I think that's not a very popular thing to do. You want to try and keep it in the artsy side of things. As you can see, I'm not doing too good on that side. I think I found a solution. Oh shit, let's go! A good schedule is always a good solution to streaming. Okay, so we pushed space, we need to reassign the state. How do we do that without sharing state? Does this need to be a method of title? I guess so. Okay. So that means update title is going to be import title. This is gonna call this. So like that. Okay, and then this is it's angry at me. Make it stop! I don't want to be angry at me. Oh no! Oh, I know what to do. I just like move this to this, and then here I create a new update function. I'm going to update title, single, title. Oh no, please, let it be public. Who invented publicity mod accessor things? I hate them so much. Okay. Update title dot. Wait, what do I do? Oh my god, I've like lost the context. This one. State. Is it still private? What are you talking about? It's right here. Oh, basically in the middle of the week, I would do dev stuff, and on the weekends, I would just be playing cart and shotting. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. I like the sound of that, because then, like, you don't have to put that much time in the game. I mean, you do, but, like, or I guess you want to? I don't know. It's good to be held accountable. Hey, Gothic, I'm back from the food. 676767676767. God, I could go. What was that noise? Did anyone hear that? What the hell was that noise? Wait, what? What was that? That was not normal. That's what Gothic's voice sounds like? What? What have you done to your voice? Oh no. Like, no wonder it was going to the negatives. It's defaulting to, like, freaking negative 100 by default. I have not changed it. Oh, no. No. Oh, my God. Okay. Ah. Okay. Oh. I don't know. The number of things I haven't touched it, so I haven't changed it. No, you're good. You're good, Gothic. I like it too. It's totally my fault. This has been happening to everyone. Is there a reference found for title in the current scope? Well, then add it to the current scope then. You freaking coward. Unless you're afraid. I am afraid. I don't want to be called. I want to be something new. I want to be something special. Well, guess what? Guess what's happening? I'm gonna put you inside a function, and then now this call that already exists is now gonna autocomplete with your name on it. Except not, because why would it? That's odd, right? This is set to super, which means it should be accessible from title, right? Is that how that works? Huh. Okay, shut. Did I 670 it for Gothic? 67676767667. I don't know the number of things, so I haven't touched it. Kind of like it though. Ooh. It makes me sound like a freak. What? BRB. See you later. See you in a bit, Whoppy. Also, feel free to sleep because goddamn, I am sleepy. How many times? See, I got... Oh, I need to go to sleep now and wake up in 7 hours. Everything will be perfect. I'll have time to fix all my bugs. Ooh. Unassociated function syntax. Oh, it wants this. Title? Update press state? That is not how I thought that worked. Setup. Up. What? Wait. No, I don't want to call this here. I want to call this in title, right? See, what's crazy? It was freaking me out. So I'm like losing the ability to understand my code because I'm so tired. What do you want from me? What do you mean you can't find it? It's literally right in your same folder as you. Wait. Boom. There we go. Setup. There it is. What? Why? Why are you being like this way? Oh, it isn't being that way. I just didn't know. Now I have learned the true power of empathy. Why am I passing tile here? Oh, to keep my self-reference. Okay. I mean, no, not okay. I just mean like, I don't know. Get it, Gothic freak. Oh, you meant like get it, Gothic freak. I completely misread that. Take 0 arguments but won't supply. Okay, well then we don't want it. I don't want it. Yeah. I need it. Oh. Okay. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. That's gonna update the title. This is going to update press start. And then this should be self. Right? Okay. And this is going to do something when we push space. What happens when we push space again? Oh, it goes to the next scene. So this would be like self.kind or self.mode. I guess I took all of those away. What? Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, everyone. I'm actually too fucking tired of code. What is self? It's title. And title has a thing called state. Okay, that's what I wanted. Oh my god. Okay, state equals title state. And that's gonna go to, I don't know, I guess play menu for now. I wanted to at least make it to 3 hours, or even the 2:30, but... See, you got... I don't got this. And thankfully, I'm not held to the same standards you are. Wait, what? This should be... mute self? Like that? No. Oh, title's the state of... okay. I have no standards. Nuh-uh. You stream for so long, so consistently. But I can avoid that right now. I can just stop. Set the standard. Become a 2-hour streamer. The world will know me as 2-hour Surd. They're like, yeah, that's my gimmick. I finish in 2 hours. And they'll be like, you finish in 2 hours? I'm like, yeah, I do. What is this? This gonna be private now? What? Oh. Really? Oh, I gotta add the derive. Okay. Do. Alright, well now what? Now when I hit this button, what does it want from me now? Takes 1 hour, 0. Okay, well, boy do I have news for you. Let's use self dot, and then it's all fixed. Why is this probably as mutable? Oh! This needs that as mutable? Okay. Have you seen the Odyssey? I don't think so. Is that the Greek thing? Well, let me. Well, you Odyssey.